This girl made a little paper bird and let it fly out the window, but it ended up falling into a carpenter's workshop. The man picked it up, saw the girl at the window, and waved. Inspired by the design, he grabbed his tools and carved the wood until he made a bird just like the paper one. Then, he added a winding key and let it fly. The little bird traveled many miles until it reached a robotics company. Fascinated by the prototype, the engineers upgraded it with solar technology so it could fly on its own, rising into the skies, crossing cities, and after a long journey, it returned to the girl. She was amazed to see how her simple idea had evolved and realized that creativity has no limits, and even the smallest flight can go very far.